Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. Today's video is about how to be slick, super slick on the drums by playing just a few notes.
Okay, two things. What? And what?
So the basic idea is taking patterns that you can easily play and spreading them around the drums in such a way that it sounds really good. And people are like, woohoo! Come on, bruh. That was good. So I'm going to show you a pattern right now, alright? It's pretty easy, pretty simple. You can play, I'm sure you guys are smart. All of you can play this. But we would take that pattern, then we would slowly progress. And at the end, you would see how it is like, it sounds really good, but it's just a simple pattern anyone can play. This is what the basic pattern sounds like. So we take this, then what we would do is we start to play it over the toms, on the snare, on the toms, according to the music and seeing how it goes. So that would sound like this. You see that it's starting to take shape, and you can literally just play this as a fill. Like just take that and play it around as a fill and you'll be okay. But let's take this and take it to another level. So we take the same pattern and play it at 2 times the speed in the same tune, and it will sound like this. It's the same basic pattern we've been playing all this while. We just played it a little bit faster and we played it all around the drums everywhere. This video is sponsored by the Drum Chops Builder app. It's like a diary for your drum ideas. And the like button, smack it, smack the like button. This is how you smack it, like just smack it. Random solo section coming right up. As always, thanks for watching.